Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva for video editing. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened canva.com and I'm going to use Canva for video editing. So first thing first, we need to create a design on Canva. Click on create a design and I'm just going to select a video since we want to edit a video using this Canva. Okay, and we're going to upload our video. You can go to the upload menu and choose the video you want to edit. I'm going to select upload files and then just upload the video from your device. I'm going to select this video for instance, then we're going to click on open. Okay, and just wait until the video has been uploaded to your Canva. And actually I have uploaded the video, so I'm just going to drag it to my design. Okay, and we can zoom in or zoom out to fit the screen like this. And if you want to trim your video, you can click on the video and then you're going to drag it. You can also add tags to your video. If you want to do that, you can go to the tags option and then I'm just going to select this one. I'm going to add this text to my video. Oops. Alright. And if you want to add more videos to your design, you just need to click on upload again and just upload another video you want to add to your design. You can also add more pages. Click on this option if you want to add pages. And I'm just going to add the same video just for example. And if you want to add transition, you can click on this option, add transition, and choose the transition you would like to apply to your video. I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and you can also animate your video. Click on your video and then you're going to click on and choose the animation that you like. Going to select maybe this one. Okay, and alright, and you can customize the editing as you need guys, and that is how basically we can use Canva for video editing. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.